In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the ZAVA Day 2 COVID Travel Test Kit. Day 2 COVID travel tests are tests that the UK require people to take within 2 days of returning home from their travels, with the day you return counting as day 0. You can take these types of tests at home, at a clinic, or even at the airport. But obviously today I'm going to be taking a look at the home testing kit. This test is a PCR test, which means that while you do the test at home, you will have to send off your sample to get the results analysed by a laboratory. This test cost £69, although we did actually find a £5 discount voucher. So it's definitely worth scanning the web and sites like Finder for various discounts on these types of tests. If you click this link here, that'll take you through to our COVID testing page on Finder, where you can start comparing different tests and check out some of the discounts that we offer. I'm very pleased to say that this test arrived bang on when it said it would, so fingers crossed if you also get this test, the same will happen for you. Now, I will admit that I've already ripped open this packaging because I've ordered so many tests lately that I had to see which test it was before reviewing it. So don't be surprised when it's already opened. That hasn't been tampered with or anything. So yes, your package will arrive from ZAVA in this very attractive grey envelope. Inside the packaging, you will find this leaflet as well as the white box containing your test kit. At first, I thought this was the instructions, but it actually contains detailed information on how to activate your test, take your test, how to return your test, and how to get your results. So let me pop this to one side and take a look inside the box itself. The first thing you'll find are the detailed instructions as to how to take the test. This one folds out sideways and contains some nifty little pictures, giving you some visual cues to help you along. For this test, you will have to swab both your tonsils and your nostrils. Make sure you read these thoroughly, as tests can differ from one another. Next, we have our swab and our collection vial. Unlike some other tests I've looked at, these two items come packaged together. This little thing is the packaging for the collection tube. That's what you'll send it off back to the lab in. Here you have your return envelope, already stamped and ready to go. The final elements to this testing kit include some barcode stickers and a security seal sticker to seal up the box when you're ready to send it back. In terms of packaging, you'll obviously need to separate the swab from the collection vial to take your test. Once you've put your sample in the collection vial, it needs to go into its special little package so that it's safe to send back to the lab. All you need to do is peel back these tabs. Well, I say all you need to do, but this actually proved to be quite tricky as it was a little bit stiff to open. Pop the collection vial in, reseal it, and it's basically ready to go. Before you do send it back, the last thing you need to do is stick on one of these barcode stickers. Pop that in the box and then grab your security seal. Close up the box in the same way that you opened it, and then pop that security seal over the edges of the box so that it's nicely sealed and it can't be tampered with on its way to the lab. The final part to packing up is, of course, to put all of this inside your envelope. For more information on all things COVID travel testing, simply head to finder.com by clicking this link right here. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit that bell button to be the first to know when a new video drops. As always, thanks for watching.